Hey guys, welcome back to Disrespect Disc Golf. This is attempt 4 at shooting double digits. Let's get right into it. All right guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got a guest with me today. A lot of you probably recognize her. Want to introduce yourself?
Hey guys, I'm Trinity Bryant, local here at Jacksonville. Yeah, this is one of my home courses. Very beautiful. There's a lot of people here, so hopefully it'll be pretty smooth today.
Yeah.
But yep, this is my first year on the Pro Tour, so I'm home for about a month, taking a little off time to focus and stuff. So it's been nice being home.
Yeah. Well, glad to have you on the channel. We're both super familiar with this course, obviously. We got a lot of wind and a lot of sun. It's a good day to play golf. Course is very, very busy as well. I've obviously seen your videos, seen your game. Congrats on being on the Pro Tour. That's insane. I'm just on the YouTube tour right now.
Hey, that's pretty impressive too.
Yeah, but let's get into it. 2 off the top.
Sweet, let's go.
All right, also guys, stay tuned to the end of the video. This is a Trash Panda retooled canyon that Trinity just signed, and we're gonna be giving this away at the end of the video. So please watch the whole thing. You can skip if you want, but watch time is important to my channel. So after hole 18, we'll show you guys what you can do to enter to win the Trash Panda Canyon giveaway. You can enter both on YouTube and on Instagram. All the details at the end of the video. Sweet.
That did nothing. Okay. Okay. A little bit left.
Nice.
A little too much hyzer on that one. But it's out there.
Good shot.
Thank you.
Go with my Star Wraith here. Tailwind a little bit, right to left as well. Oh, that's low. That's why we do 2 shots off the top.
Oh yeah. That first one was an interval. This one's an era. So it's a fairway, but it flies far. So I like them. Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that should be fine.
Great shot.
Thank
I like
you.
that blue color too. Gonna go a little flippier and go with my Grace here. That's better. Gonna hyzer out, but C2 probably.
Nice. I go to upshot disc, a Yang.
That should be everybody's go-to after that shot. All right, even though it's a fun round, I'm still trying to take this serious, see if I can. Oh, also one of the rules for this series is I have to at least shoot 5 under par, and if I don't, then I get a random mold from my bag banned for the rest of the series. So, gotta at least shoot 5 under today. Oh, just in front.
It's never bad to start with a par.
Yeah, last time I played this, I double bogeyed from like a 70-foot birdie putt.
Oh my gosh.
Ramped off the top, missed the comebacker, and then I think the bogey putt I like spat out or something.
Oh no.
That might be my first par on hole 1 on this series, sadly.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
That's a great thing,
Okay.
because I've been like bogeying, so
Oh, okay, yeah.
thanks to you on the channel.
Yeah, I don't throw many forehands, so. This one, like I'm starting to like see the lines of forehands, and it kind of makes me sad that I can't throw them, but I'm trying. But it's also like you can throw such a pretty backhand line.
Beat it, beat it, beat it.
It did not beat it.
I thought it was
That's gonna be
past.
fun.
I'm gonna go that backhand line. Goliath Redemption. Get lucky.
Through it.
Kind of.
Yeah. Shouldn't.
Basket is just
Yeah.
behind those trees.
We're going to grab something for a roller and then grab something for a flex forehand. Okay, yeah. Oh, yep. Okay, it's a putt.
All right, long birdie bid. Probably just gonna lay up.
And that works.
I like metal.
Okay, I'm gonna try, but also try not to hit the tree. Ah, no,
Good upshot.
that'll work.
All right, guys, hole 3 should still be in the back right. I haven't had the best success on this one. Gonna go forehand again. Last time I sawed it off a little bit and tried to scramble for par, took a bogey. See if I can capitalize. Still even par. Get lucky. Yeah,
Oh,
that's putting actually.
that should be putting. That was nice. I go for the fun gap. This is also a finish line era. I have 4 of them in 4 different stabilities, so I throw them a lot.
Oh yeah. Watch out. That's fun, all right.
Hopefully should be putting. The fun line gets you in front of the tree.
Oh, in front.
Yeah.
Okay. Dang. Forgot my notepad, but mental noted.
Still a very hard putt, but
Is there a fun putt line that gets me in the chains? Hyzer?
yeah. You got a fun hyzer or a fun anhyzer. So.
The wind's not fun, but it feels good.
Oh,
I like fun layups.
yeah. Goodness, this stuff is slidey. Oh,
Good bid.
just low.
Mine's not quite a guarantee, but it should be.
Well, hey, it's it.
It's in.
And par.
Par. Shout out Team Par on.
Besties, go check out the link. All right, so this is hole 4. Don't know how far it is. It's probably like 320, 330.
343.
340. So it's off to the right. Don't quite know what the wind's doing yet. A little left to right, kind of. But it's kind of tucked.
You're going standstill, huh?
Oh, absolutely not. Just hold.
That's pretty. Get past the tree.
Whew, short.
Good shot.
But it's up in the gap. It's up in the gap. That one's like that one's like my flippy era, but it'll still hold.
Nice. Calvin Destroyer, forehand. Oh, yep. That's
You got
what
a
I
clear
did
line
not
to
do.
it, you know?
Gonna go Samson. See if I can get a little skip. Oh, that's drop. Okay.
Well, according to where he looked, it should be in the circle.
It's my spotter down there.
Yep.
Paid partnership.
I've definitely accidentally hit a few people in my time. Ooh, drop. Okay, now.
Good bid. Nice.
And a par.
All right, I think I'm still even.
Yeah. Should be, I think I'm 1 over. Good
Thank you for lifting that wind. I was like, zoom.
Perfect, play in the wind.
Also, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. I'm sure a lot of you are friends or followers of Trinity, so thanks for coming to check out my channel. Also, I'll have her stuff down below. Check out her Instagram, all that stuff. And I'm sure she's got some affiliate links if you want to support her on tour as well.
This is hole 5, dead straight. Very nice. The wind is not very nice, but it's fine.
Raging tailwind.
Going with the Era again. This one's a bit flippier. Oh.
Beat it. Oh.
Fairway.
All right, I went with this last episode. Gonna go with Covenant again, flippy putter. The wind is stronger today though.
Oh.
That is,
Oh.
We're shopping.
It's down there.
All right, you just got a par 2 from the red now.
Yeah, basically. A false birdie. Oops, it.
Counter skip, yeah,
Yeah, that'll be fine.
nice shot. All right, swirly wind. Long bid for birdie. Want to at least keep it close. Long bid for layup. Good hit.
Just a par. Technically, could be a birdie from the red pair.
Florida flip. All right, 5 pars in a row. Better than last time. Hole 6. I like this hole, even though it can bite you in the butt. I think so far in the series I've gone birdie, par, par. See if I can get another birdie and complete the sandwich. Oh, that's low. But
Could be a putt.
yeah.
Got some skip. Going with a sector. Not trying to put too much on it. Kind of just want it to track down there. Oh. That's going to be fun.
All right, let's get the inside scoop of the mind of a Pro Tour player. What are your thoughts right now for this upshot?
So there's not many options here. There is very, very, very tight forehand. And then you can just like stretch out. And just do like a, I'm taking my Premium Yang, which is a stable approach putter. You can check them out at Foundation with my stamp on it. But it's overstable, so hopefully if I just throw it on the little flex line and not hit my hand on this tree. Or just hit the tree. Whoops.
They don't do that when you buy them on the site though.
Yeah. It should have been that.
All right, made it to C2. I could do a little inside straight putt. I'm gonna try to do a little straddle here. Probably like 40 feet maybe. Oh, dude. Can't be doing that. Player 2.
Player 2. Oh. Wheel.
Parked.
Good. It's hole 7. We've got, most people take this little Anheuser gap, but there's also a straight gap. Anheuser forehand, you know. But I go more for the straight. But this bamboo was recently put up, so I love the sound of it when it gets hit. But we're gonna hope that we don't have to hear that today. Oh no! Well, at least it sounded cool.
Popcorn, right gap is what I usually go for. Still even through 6, not bad. Bam! Boo! Get it? Bamboo. Gonna go canyon here. A little short. It's pretty much exactly how I played this hole last time. Same upshot.
Little Anheuser backhand. Got the yin this time.
Yeah.
And that should work.
Great shot.
Thank you.
All right, I gotta be like Trinity and have easier pars here.
Oh no.
Oh, that's sad. 1 over in the woods holes isn't the worst.
Yeah. These can eat you up.
Yeah. Hole 8. A little bit of a headwind coming at us, basket in the woods. You guys know the drill. But the drill is gonna change from throwing it into the ground. We're gonna have a good forehand here. Hurry,
Ooh.
take it, Win, take it.
Get a little skip.
Yeah.
No skip, but that's a great shot.
Thanks.
I'm gonna go with the interval. This is a finish line. Oh, that's a little low. Maybe?
Oh yeah, just coming out of
Right
it.
there.
Great shot.
Okay, that should be fine.
It's good to be anywhere down in that sand down there.
I don't know what to do here. Just do a little backhand, see if I can either get it up there or get it in there.
Come on.
Oh,
Oh!
dang it. Just a little low.
I was so ready to run out and give you a high five. Dang.
I was trying.
You guys are gonna laugh at me like for watching all these videos in this series. I'm throwing like the same disc in the same spot. I think last time I was like just right there, blocked off. This time I'm like maybe a foot or two farther, but it's more open at least. I do have enough height to give it a run. Might do like a soft bid, tailwind.
Ooh, had good height.
Gave it a chance. One over through 8. Got to get 6 birdies. Otherwise another mold's coming out of the bag. Comment below, can I get it?
You gotta turn the heat up on the back nine. 348 to cross the water. We've got a little crosswind, so it's a little difficult. I don't want to lose any discs today, so I'm not gonna go for it. But normally just like landing zone over to the left. This water's a little nasty too, so swimming is not the greatest option. Or I am gonna go for it, apparently. Just be long enough. Oh no.
Oh no.
Well, guess we're swimming. I'm just kidding.
All right, latitude sweep. Been going with this play. I just keep on either putting on hyzer or just throwing it too far left. So I really just got to get it more right. The wind's gonna take it when it gets on hyzer, so I don't have to like worry about that. Just gotta trust it right side. Oh, that's right side, all right.
Oh. RIP.
Well, I guess the play is still just like early release and let the wind take it and have a crazy far par putt.
Yeah.
That was the first time I've been in the water here in a long time, honestly.
Yeah.
This wind is ripping. Jeez.
It's a little stronger than I thought. I threw it on a little bit of hyzer because I was like, it'll take it up if I put it on a hyzer. But that like took it over.
Yeah, it looked
was
good.
Not expecting
Looked
it to.
really good on camera.
All right, going with the wasp. Maybe I can just make it in. That would be nice. Save a par. Oh, that carried way too high. Drop. And that was very short.
I'm gonna go canyon. Okay, headwind now. It just changed. Drop. Yeah, I'll take
That should
that.
be a good putt. Going with a premium Yang forehand.
Oh,
I may have smoked that a little bit.
smoked on the right line at least. I thought that was going in.
Good putt.
Bogey save.
Okay.
Yeah, good putt.
Hey, first real putt of the round. Oh, I just hit the microphone. That was, whew. Okay, I need to get this in the basket. So I kind of played this hole pretty atrociously.
Ooh.
Oh. That's how you get a double bogey.
All right,
Ugh.
I'm gonna show you how to try a birdie putt. This is crazy. Headwind. No.
Oh, not bad, not bad.
Dang it.
That putt looks ridiculous from over here, just from all the trees. They're like, good putt.
That dropped a lot. A lot of winds. Calvin Destroyer forehand. Ooh. Thanks.
Nice. All right. Kind of don't know what the wind's doing. It's kind of a headwind. Ooh, yeah, that feels like a headwind. Hopefully this doesn't go flip up crazy. Oh, I just hit a tree. The execution is very off today.
All right, getting her upshot practice in.
Anheuser.
This wind is just ridiculous.
Mm.
I'm telling you guys, this wind gets
Tricky.
worse every time I come out. Oh, I love that.
Oh, okay, it's putt. That's fine.
Great commitment.
Oh, yeah. Exactly what you want here. No!
Aw. There it is.
Yep.
First birdie on hole 11, just like last attempt. Okay, wow, this wind is, I don't need to say anything else. You guys know it's crazy wind. Yeah, just got a birdie, 1 over now. Need 6 more birdies to avoid giving or having a disc banned from my bag. That'll do, ish.
It's out there. It's out there. Settle.
Good shot.
She was short. Bit of work.
Parked.
Just a little layup.
Smile if you thought that was gonna hit that tree.
Hey, have a little faith.
I did too. All right, for 2 in a row, if I get this, I should have a turkey because the next one is usually a birdie.
Oh, good run. Just a little low.
All right, guys, hole 13. This one's par 4, triple Mando. I always play right side, let it skip somewhere near the short basket, and then you got a pretty easy up and down for the birdie. Sitting at 1 over, still got to get 6 birdies to at least hit 5 down. A little inside for sure. Get left.
Should be a line from there.
All right, options.
There's options. Yeah, I'm sitting not pretty, so I just need to birdie everything I can, you know?
Oh yeah.
Skip
That was the
a little.
interval?
Yep, interval. Slide. Yeah.
Great shot, that was pretty. Really tricky shot here. Over this short basket, through the double Mando. Oh, I didn't flip it.
Ah.
To the drop zone. I'm gonna give away another disc, or not give away a disc. We are giving away a disc at the end of the video, but I'm gonna have another mold band. Sucks. All right, save par. Not what you wanna do on this hole. Oh.
Not a bad run. Drop. Oh.
Back to 2 over.
Good putt. All right, we are on hole 14?
14, yep.
Yeah, hole 14. 252 on the second hill right there. There's a bit of wind that's a little gusty, but I feel like it's calmed down a bit, so hopefully it doesn't do anything too crazy.
Hold that.
Ah, okay, that's a putt.
Great shot.
Thank you.
Gonna go chain breaker, what I did last time. Hang it up on the right side and let it crash in. Oh, that's lower. That'll work.
Definitely a little further than you want to be, and not the most ideal putting direction.
But she's gonna drain it.
Oh no, that'll be fine. Okay.
All right. Not my day on the green right now. Hole 15, forehand chain breaker.
That'll be a putt. Wasp. Up this little middle gap. Chill. Okay. That should work.
I think it's time to make a birdie putt now. Nope, that's for next hole.
All over the basket.
All right, guys, 3 holes left. Hole 16 here. Still in the same position as the last time. It's close to 400 feet. A little bit downhill. I usually throw the slingshot. Raging tailwind today. Again, the wind's a big factor all around. See what we can do.
Nice shot. Ah, dang.
Oh.
The iron branches. A little yang action again. That's way too far left.
You got that putt.
Yeah.
It must be so cool to just travel and play disc golf.
Oh, it's so nice. It's so cool, like seeing all the different disc golf.
I told you guys the birdie is coming on the next hole. Good hit.
I think it's a left to right wind. But just go with an arrow. Try and get it down there. Oh. Ooh. I am finding all of the trees today.
I was gonna go big hyzer, but I'm actually gonna try turnover with the origin. Hope to miss that tree and just let it flip. Oh, nope.
Go right. A yang probably maxes out at 250, so hopefully it'll just park right at the basket.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Somehow I have a putt with this pretty poor drive with the origin, but we got like, I don't know, 50, 55 feet tailwind.
Ooh, good run. There it is.
Player 2. All right, hopefully you guys watched till now so you can figure out how to win this canyon signed by Trinity. Comment down below and try to guess which hole is her favorite out here that we played today. 1 through 18, pick a number. Whoever gets it right, this will be sent out to you If one of you guys don't guess the right number, then it'll be shipped out to the person who commented the closest guess first. Because like, let's say it's hole 7 and someone says hole 6, someone says hole 8. They're both one away from 7, but whoever comments the closest one first will win. Yeah, this fly is really good, a little stable mid-range, nice and gummy. So comment below which hole for a chance to win.
All right, so I've got to ace it like twice to actually finish on a good score. So.
Stay up. Nice.
Ooh, about got a squirrel.
Yeah.
That'll work.
He's running for his life. Gonna go Wraith here. Par 4, about like par 4, 615.
Ooh.
A lot of air bounces.
Great shot.
I'm gonna do one more.
Oh, I had a hyzer on it.
Drop. Oh, Cam. Push.
Woo. It's a putt. Right, for birdie. And it's a par.
Easy par. All right, see if I can finish with a bird.
Oh.
God.
You've hit the cage so many.
Oh my gosh. All right, I'm taking lessons from Trinity from now on, guys. How do I hit chains? I don't know.
There we go.
I guess that's how.
You just gotta
Yeah, you just gotta do like the little flopper, make flutter putt.
do a flutter putt, yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna see which disc gets banned from my bag now. I've already lost the pillar, the cookie, and the Samson. 28 discs in here.
Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 28.
A random number between 1 and 28 is 19.
19, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Dang it.
Oh,
My Starfire.
R.I.P.
Yeah, rip. It got me a birdie look today. I didn't make the birdie, but banned for the rest of the series. That's another disc. A reminder, I got to shoot at least 5 down to not lose a disc. Goal's 10 down. Sweet. Well, that was a blast.
Yeah,
Thanks for
thanks
being on
for
the
having
channel.
me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was so fun. The scores, okay, there were some fun shots thrown, some bad shots thrown, but you know, that's disc golf, so.
Yeah, I learned like all the fun putting lines today, especially on the front 9.
Oh yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks guys for watching. I've got links down below to all of Trinity stuff for Instagram. I'll put your affiliate links down there, everything as well. Go support her. She's on tour. It's so cool. She
Thank
gets
you
to
so
travel
much.
and
It's so fun. Oh my goodness. And would not be possible without all my sponsors and all of y'all. So, yep. Make sure to go check all of that out. Have everything in a link tree. So, need another like stand or something. But yeah, thanks for watching and hanging out. Make sure to like and subscribe.
peace.